friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Devika, and those who are all new to my channel, hello friends, I'm Devika. So today I'm going to share with you this New Year makeup look which I've already created. You can see मुझे तो ये आई शेडो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. आप देख ही सकते हैं, ये बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. मुझे तो बहुत ही पसंद आया है. अगर आपको जानना है कि मैं ये लुक कैसे क्रिएट किया है तो इस वीडियो के एंड तक जरूर देखना. एंड अनदर थिंग, अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आ रही है फ्रेंड्स तो हिट द लाइक बटन, सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड डू कमेंट मी इन द कमेंट सेक्शन कि आपको मेरे वीडियो कैसा लगा है. तो चलिए इस वीडियो को हम स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं.
So starting with moisturizer, for that I'm using this Garnier Natural moisturizer. You can use any moisturizer जो भी आपके पास हो. अच्छे से अप्लाई कर लीजिए पूरे फेस पे. After that I'm using this SFR All Prep Primer. फाउंडेशन अप्लाई करने से पहले प्राइमर ज़रूर अप्लाई करिएगा. After that I'm using the Star Concealer Orange Color Corrector to just correct my under eyes and any dark spots near my mouth area. After that, for foundation I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me foundation and my shade is 230. So I'm just applying it in a dot form all over my face. With the help of this brush I'm blending foundation. Moving on to concealer, for that I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me concealer and my shade is medium. So I'm just forming a triangle underneath my eyes, bridge of my nose. I'm going to highlight my highlighting points. So here I'm using this SFR concealer palette, and from that I have taken that brown color. Just to contour my face slightly. अगर आप कॉन्टूर नहीं करना है तो आप ये स्टेप स्किप भी कर सकते हैं. Now I'm just blending everything very nicely, just dabbing in the dabbing motion. तो आपको अपवर्ड मोशन में इसे ब्लेंड करना है, डाउनवर्ड नहीं, अपवर्ड मोशन में. आफ्टर दैट मैं अपने पूरे फेस को सेट कर लूँगी विद दिस लैक्मे कॉम्पैक्ट. Then I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit and my shade is brown. Then for my eye makeup I am going to use this palette, the Jaclyn Hill palette, and I'm just taking these two shades as a transition shade and just blending it above my crease in and out. So slowly I'm going to build this color. So take your time, don't be in a hurry while doing your eye makeup. After that I'm taking this brown shade and just blending it into my crease, forming the V shape. Just blending in and out into my crease. Then I'm just taking this shade and after that I'm going to apply this shade. So I'm just using this pencil brush. With the help of that I'm applying this So I'm using that same eyeshadow and applying it in the inner corners. Then I'm taking this shade and just blending it. After that, I'm again taking this brown shade and I'm going to just blend into my crease to just get that depth effect. Now I'm taking this shade and applying it on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to apply this shade on my brow bone just to highlight it. After that, I'm taking this same shade and just applying it on my eyelid. So for eyeliner, I'm using this Maybelline glossy eyeliner and I'm going to create the wing eyeliner. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. After that, I'm using this mascara, Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and I will be applying this 3 to 4 coats because I'm not going to apply the false eyelashes. So applying it on my lower lash line as well, 3 to 4 coats. After that, I'm using this L'Oreal bronzer and just going to bronze my face just to get that sculpt look. On my nose as well to just make it look slim. After that, for blush, I'm using this SFR blush and just applying it on the apple of my cheeks. After that, for highlighter, I'm using this Makeup Revolution highlighter. So I've taken this clean brush, just applying it above my cheeks, my bridge of my nose, cupid bow, chin. After that, I'm using this Huda Beauty lipstick shades, liquid. So I'm just applying it the second shade. After that, to set my makeup, I'm applying this NYX matte setting spray so that my makeup will be long lasting.
So friends, this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. You can share it as well. It's free. And another thing, comment me in the comment section कि आपको मेरे वीडियो कैसा लगा है. And अगर आपको वीडियो पसंद आ रही है तो फ्रेंड्स ज़रूर लाइक करिएगा, सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए मेरे चैनल को अच्छी अच्छी वीडियोस देखने के लिए. And another thing, I would like to wish you all a very happy new year. Enjoy and see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.